we are in the Publix and welcome back to my channel. And today is Thursday. We're gonna go inside the Publix and let's go get something. I'm not gonna do a lot of things, maybe a couple, okay? So I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm gonna pick it up, okay? Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to get is the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. They're buy one get one free, and I'm gonna get 4 of these. You can get any flavor because the coupon says any flavor General Mills, but anyway, I'm gonna get 4 of these, 2 of the cinnamon crunch, and I'm gonna get 2 of the cocoa thing, the cocoa pops, because those they're also General Mills. They're like $4.31. I don't know why they're $4.31. They always $3.83, and now they're $4.31. They put it up, the cereal, but anyway, they're $4.31. So for 4, that's buy one get one free. That's gonna be $8.62. I'm gonna use this $5. I don't know if they're gonna give me off or a gift card. When you buy 4, you're gonna get, anyway, they're gonna take it off 5 off, so that's more better. And then we have also $1 off any 2, and I have $1 off any 2 digital coupon I'm gonna use for this. I'm gonna show you guys in the screen what I'm talking about. That's coupon in the app, digital coupons. So all that coupon, whenever it's gonna come out, all the coupon I'm gonna pay, like, that's gonna take it off 7, so that's gonna be $1.62 for 4 boxes of cereal. So I think it's a really good deal. And okay, yeah, so let's get 4 of these, 2 of these, and 2 of the cocoa pops. Okay, they're priced at $4.31. Sorry. Okay guys, so that for all that 4 boxes right there, that's gonna be $1.62. It's not gonna be free because in my store they're more higher, the cereal, so I don't know why, but they always $3 and some change. But anyway, it is what it is. Let's go to the another deal. Okay guys, so next I'm going to get is the Pringles. They'll buy one get one free, so I'm gonna get 6 of this, and we have 5 of 5 digital coupon I'm gonna use for this. So for all these 6, because you know they're buy one get one free, they're like $1.99 each, so that's gonna be $5.97 for all 6. And I'm gonna use the 5 of 5 digital coupon for the Pringles, so that's make this only 97 cents for all these 6. Yeah, that was right? So yeah, I think it's a really good deal. Okay guys, so I'm gonna get 6. Remember, buy one get one free, so that's the reason why I'm getting 6, but the coupon is 5 of 5. But yes, 97 cents for all these 6 is a really good deal. Okay guys, so let's get, you can get any one you want, any flavor. So I'm stick with the original one because we really like the original one. Alright, okay guys, so that's not good. They are 2 for 5, and we do have this coupon from the I'm gonna put it guys in the screen which coupon this came from. I really forgot, but anyway, it's $1.50 of anyone, so 2 for 5, that's gonna take it off $3, so make this only $1. So I'm gonna get 4 of these. I think it's only 4 left, so I'm the lucky enough. Okay, let's get 4. Okay guys, so the next one I'm going to do, but they don't have no more, they're out. The Snuggle, they're buy one get one free. They're priced at $3.99. The one that there's renovated with the oil refill, I couldn't find it. And you can use this $1 off anyone, so make that only 99 cents, or like $1.99 for 2. Yep, if you can find it in your store, but I was looking for it and there's none. And we also have free Airwick plug-in, but they don't have it no more. They have only this one. We do have those ones right there. They're completely out guys, so I just want to show you if you need the free Airwick plug-in. Just looking for if what they have. Nope. Okay, no guys, they're completely out, so let's go to the different one. Okay guys, so the all product, they're also buy one get one free, and my coupon is in the car. I totally forgot, I didn't bring my coupon book. So as you can see, all there buy one get one free. There's $1.50 off anyone, and if you need those, you know, we have some coupons, but I didn't bring mine. It's in the car, and I totally forgot, and I thought I'm not gonna. But anyway, let's see what they have in here. So the Tide right now they are oh, the Gain Flings they're $17.99. They put the price down. No, for that one. Yes. Okay guys, the Colgate they are $2.99. We do have a $2. This is the coupon you're gonna use for this and make this only 99 cents. But I'm not gonna get that one. I'm gonna skip on that one. I'm just letting you guys know that the price at $2.99. Make sure to look in. And yeah, let's go to the other side. Okay guys, so the Advil for the children they are $5.99. We do have a $3 digital coupon, and we have also $2 from the extra savings. It's right there. That's $2 Publix coupon you can use. I'm sorry guys, I'm flipping my camera because my baby's sleeping. And you're gonna pay like 99 cents each. And I think it's not bad at all. So I'm gonna get one of these. Okay guys, so the last thing we're gonna get is the hummus. They're buy one get one free. They're priced at $4.29. And we don't really eat hummus, but yeah, I like hummus. I don't know which one the good one. Jalapeno with Italian herbs. Well, I'm gonna get one of these ones and one of the roasted pepper. I don't know. Sometimes I'm really like, I don't know, I never tried those jalapeno one. But anyway guys, I'm gonna get two of these. We don't have coupons for this one. Okay guys, so this one I'm getting here, and I get some hummus, two of this. We don't have coupon for this, and all this one, that's the only we're getting. Yeah, so let's go guys, check out. Remember, I get also the Advil, so let's go guys to check out. All right. Okay guys, so we just get out in the Publix. We're still here, we are outside. So I'm gonna show you guys the receipt. So here everything I got. The cinnamon, the everything I got right here. What was it? Oh, that was the Pringles. I got also the hummus. Remember the hummus, I don't have no coupons. I got 4 of the Snuggle, and I get 1 of the mac and cheese because JC my son he loves mac and cheese. So all my coupons came off. As you can see right there, $1.50 for the Snuggle. I got 4, and my Kellogg's, the 5 off digital for the Pringles, and also the $3 off for the children, the Advil, and my 2 of $1 digital coupon for the General Mills, and $2 extra savings for the Advil. And I think they take it off instead of giving me gift card when you buy 4, but the lady, she took it off. She don't give me gift card, so that's good. It's better like that way. She took it off, the $5 off. So yes guys, so that's what my receipt, and I paid $13.86 plus tax, and I saved $47.84, and that was really nice. That was really awesome. So everything is here guys. So yeah, that's it guys. So thank you so much for watching, and we're going to the car before this rain came, because I think it's going to rain. Okay guys, so if you come to Publix to get only the Pringles, I think it's really good, because 97 cents for all that 6 is really good deal. Where is our car? Oh my god, I'm lost. Oh, we come to this side. Okay guys, so I was trying to get out in here, but we are on the other side. So kids are enjoying this car, Publix car. They really love this. Oh, let's go before the rain comes. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching, and bye bye. Say bye. Okay guys, bye.